everybody. We're back on the road. We spent the last 4 days camping over in DeSoto, Wisconsin, where we were doing some boat riding and doing some fishing. Then we went home and unpacked from fishing and repacked for traveling. So now we're on the road and we are headed south. Probably going to stay in Paducah, I think, tonight.
Yep, Paducah.
So right now I've got it set at 60. I'm on using the cruise. I'm getting just over 22 miles per gallon.
What were you getting, Sweet and Sassy, what was you getting before we turned the air conditioner on?
I was up to 23.7.
23.7 without running the air conditioner. Now it's not a very hot day outside. It is actually 72 degrees, but we got a nice breeze. But that is fantastic gas mileage. So then we turned the AC on.
The sun was really making it warm in here.
And that, of course, the AC is going to steal horsepower from you.
I'm okay with that.
She's okay with that.